Michael Braxton said, his voice steady but full of emotion, and the audience fell silent. Whispers have been going around the family and the general public for years. Queries concerning Ashley's mum. Rumors that were discussed, argued, and kept under wraps. And now Michael was speaking up for the first time. Supporters held their breath, as every nuanced gesture, pause, and tone of voice was caught by the cameras. This wasn't a light-hearted remark. It was a revelation that would upend family relationships, cast doubt on long-held beliefs, and spark a social media emotional storm. At last, the rumors that had persisted in whispers were being addressed clearly, publicly, and frankly. The risks were huge. Ashley's private life was abruptly featured in news and popular culture, after years of conjecture. Michael's words held weight. For the whole Braxton family, not just Ashley. Tamar kept a watchful eye on Wanda, Tracy, and other family members, knowing that this confirmation could alter everything. Social media took off right away. Within hours, hashtags were popular. #Braxton family drama, #Eichel speaks, #Ashley's mother revealed. Both supporters and detractors discussed, conjectured, and expressed their opinions. A few people showed sympathy for Ashley. While some were taken aback by the disclosure, others examined every aspect for hidden meaning. As the public came to understand that this was much more than a family secret, the emotional intensity was evident. It was a tale of truth, identity, and the eventual revelation of years of suppressed suffering. The tension was nearly intolerable as Michael's remarks reverberated. The gravity of the situation was felt by all viewers. After a long wait, the truth had finally emerged. Fans would be eager to find out what would happen next as a result of the questions, responses, and excitement that accompanied it. Michael Braxton's disclosure was not the beginning of the narrative. It had been simmering in the background of the Braxton family's public and private lives for years. Ashley has experienced love all her life. Attention, as well as sporadic examination. However, there had always been unspoken concerns regarding her ancestry. Though they were never discussed in public, rumors, whispers, and conjecture were clearly there. It had been a balancing act for Michael to keep these secrets. Safeguarding Ashley from public scrutiny, preserving privacy, and preserving family peace were priorities. However, the years of silence carried a terrible burden. Every family get-together, interview, and casual chat carried the risk of the rumors coming to light too soon, and Michael frequently had to navigate a labyrinth of feelings, allegiances, and precise words. Ashley, on the other hand, was growing up in a society that placed a strong emphasis on family, love, and identity. She had always understood that her family was complicated, with many facets of emotion, history, and secrets. However, she followed her father's advice and thought that when the time was right, the truth would be revealed. Because even the most harmless remarks could spark rumors and emotional turmoil, the ambiguity created its own intensity. The remaining members of the Braxton family each had a part to play in this enduring story. Tracy, Tawanda, Tamar, and other family members had their own viewpoints, feelings, and interests in the matter. Some had been Michael and Ashley's close confidants, providing them with support and direction. In the lack of candid conversation, others had inadvertently fueled the rumors. Every encounter had the ability to affect how realities were viewed and accepted, making family dynamics complex. Public scrutiny provided an additional layer of pressure. The Braxton family was well known, thus, their personal lives were always in the public eye. Online and in entertainment news, there were rumors concerning Ashley's mother that were frequently sensationalized and occasionally misrepresented. Despite his intention to keep his family safe, Michael's silence merely increased speculation and interest. Fans' constant arguments produced a digital echo room where each rumor seems to have its own life. The stakes were personal on an emotional level. Ashley may become vulnerable and confused as a result of the uncertainty. Michael found it difficult to strike a balance between disclosure and protection, honesty and caring. Managing public opinion while providing care for loved ones is also important for the larger family. Adds a continuous layer of tension and complexity. Years of emotional strain, suspense, and conjecture had primed the audience and the family by the time Michael made the decision to publicly confront the rumors. His words were more than just a declaration at the time. It was the result of years of introspection, emotional work, and the desire to safeguard, elucidate, and ultimately reveal the truth. The struggle, emotional intensity, and startling revelations that will follow are set up by this backstory. This crucial point, where family, identity, and public curiosity would intersect, was the result of all the secrets, reluctances, and unspoken truths. The instant Michael Braxton entered the spotlight, the tension peaked. Ashley's mother had been the subject of years of rumors, conjecture, and unsolved problems, which had cast a pall of doubt over the family. The reality was now emerging, and it was more startling than most people could have predicted. The first startling revelation was that the long-running rumors were only partly true. While many believed Michael disclosed layers of complexity that no one anticipated, while Ashley's parentage was a straightforward secret. Although his confirmation provided clarification, it also sparked additional inquiries. Identity wasn't the only issue. The secret had been kept a secret for so long, because of decisions, timing, and the intricate web of familial dynamics. Ashley's response was instantaneous and powerful. The feelings she had suppressed for years. In a mix of relief and perplexity, curiosity, worry, and a desire for explanation exploded. Although the confirmation confirmed her emotions, it also forced her to face the fact that her family's past was much more nuanced than she had anticipated. Every look, every discussion, the weight of this discovery suddenly fell on the interaction. The public's response fueled the flames. Hashtags, discussions, and hypotheses proliferated on social media. Every word of Michael's statement was scrutinized by fans, who conjectured as to why this secret had been held, Ashley's reaction, and the implications for the Braxton family as a whole. The narrative was enhanced by each clip and reply video, maintaining a high level of emotional intensity and intense viewer engagement. In the meantime, there was a significant change in the family's internal dynamics. Tamar, Tanda, and Tracy had to strike a careful balance between helping Ashley and dealing with their own emotions. Old issues came up again. Unspoken grudges surfaced, and alliances gradually changed. Every speech had the potential to either deepen or repair scars, and trust was brittle. The first significant disclosure that would startle even the most observant followers followed. Parentage wasn't the only issue. Michael revealed information regarding Ashley's birth and upbringing, including secret choices, safeguards, and sacrifices made to guarantee family stability. This revelation completely changed the story by demonstrating that what many saw as surprising or scandalous was actually layered with care, effort, and tough decisions. News sources and social media were affected by the twist. The ramifications of Michael's confirmation were discussed by commentators, who examined motivations, emotional effects, and possible outcomes. Was this a tale of secrecy or protection? Was Michael a gatekeeper, a hero, or both? Viewers were both satisfied and ready for more because of the suspenseful tension caused by the ambiguity. Another layer appeared when the first shock subsided. Michael alluded to unsolved conflicts and secrets that have not yet been disclosed. There was more to this revelation. It was the first act. Fans became aware of how little was known about Ashley's background, identity, and family dynamics. What had begun as a confirmation of rumors developed into a vast story about heritage, emotion, and the difficulties of family life in the spotlight. By the end of this stage, the primary conflict was evident. The emotional, interpersonal.
Effery familie getoegeter ternet into a manifold weer remarks veld heel oor cause harm. Te strain in curiosity to public attention. Speculation erupted across van forums, talkshows and social media. Was Ashley schuld with purposefully controlled to keep her schafe? Weer het hy still keeping their secrets to themselves. The distinction between meddling and observation bekomes in verjasing lei hy witte each van hypothesis. Effery emotional response was magnified for public viewing, ante families private suffering ternet into a communal spectacle. The audience ante familie weer equalize socket by the second significant twist. According to sources, Ashley's parentage story my halve-been intentionally manipulated. Friends, relatives, and whether on purpose or accidentally, even former colleagues are said to have contributed to the dissemination of specific knowledge. Wat had seementlike as dreigend voorwaard de stoverij was nog apart of an intricate network of long-term planning, emotional manipulation, and covert motivations. Ashley personally had to deal with the emotional impact. The confirmation was both destabilizing and validating. Sy teruglet with emotions of relief, perplexity, and betrayal. Her sense of loyalty, trust, and family support was influenced by every choice and statement made by family members. Her perception of herself was altered by the stoverij, which made her balance herloof for her family with the existence of unspoken realities. The drama was only heightened by the public's routine. Jacqueline's broke up into several stories. Michael was portrayed by others as a protective parent who was at last speaking the truth. Others proposed hidden agendas and lingering secrets. Others concentrated on Ashley's emotional reaction. The story changed in real time as fans, critics, and analysts engaged in never-ending argument. Every tweet, post, and response contributed to the story that was developing. Insider communications that suggested more revelations weer on the horizon added another level of anxiety. Ashley's parentage tale appeared to be incomplete due to unspoken choices, personal histories, and emotional sacrifices. The door had been opened by Michael's confirmation. However, wat was het held more surprises, disputes, and discoveries that would completely change the concept of family. Dynamics onze more. The escalation had turned the story into a multi-layered saga by the end of this period. A tale of a gestakes, unresolved tension, and uncertain outcomes was created by the intersection of emotional intensity, public's routine, and hidden agendas. Family relationships weer strained, fans weer captivated, and everything was ready for the next dramatic turn of events and fallout. The narrative stood at a critical juncture of the weer revealing secrets. The audience was left wondering what would happen net because the emotional stakes had reached the highest point. The story was far from finished, as demonstrated by the second big twist, and the upcoming chapter promised disclosures that would astound, touch, and enthrall all parties. The Ashley's mother's revelation soaked people far from the Bracton family's house. Both the fans and the media immediately responded, analyzing every aspect of Michael Bracton's disclosure. Decisions, conjecture, and passionate reactions erupted on social media. Meaning, purpose, and suggestion weer examined in every clip, word, and gaze. The general public was no longer merely watching. They had strong emotionalities. Ashley's supporters kwamen toegeter to support her, showing compassion and respect for her courage in handling such a significant revelation. The timing, the secrecy, and the choices that had controlled the truth for so long weer gestioned by detractors and skeptics. The commentary produced an ongoing cycle of examination and counter-analysis, maintaining the story's prominence in the news and on every social media accounts. Emotions weer complex and strong inside the family. Members like Tamar, Tuvanda, Tracy, and others teruglet to balance their personal emotions with the public's response. As the siblings argued over whether secrets had been beneficial or detrimental, old grievances reappeared. Every en Saunter, private distusjon, and familie getoge ter held weiget, resulting in intense atmosfere where emotions where hy geantrust was brittle. Ashley had to deal with a whirlwind of emotions. Along with the relief and acceptance, the confirmation also made me feel exposed and vulnerable. She had to deal with the public's expectations, opinions, and judgments in addition to her own feelings. She had little space for privacy or introspection because every word she said and every emotion she experienced became fodder for criticism. The situation was further magnified by media channels. The public's ravenous curiosity, personal vulnerability, and family streffe weer hegligheid in headlines that presented the announcement as unexpected, emotional, and long-awaited. Decisions on social media, talkprogrammes, and neefsegments are analysed every subtlety, demonstrating that this was not just a family issue. It had turned into a national dialogue about trust, identity, and secrets. An additional level of intensity was introduced by rumors and insider conjecture. Weer tere aan 'n mysteries that had not been revealed. Weer manipulations or motivations at work. With the EH post, fevers weer bote placed with the confirmation and eager to see what would happen next, as the statement and video seemed to heighten attention. The story had completely changed from a personal family matter to a sophisticated public drama by the end of the fallout phase. More unexpected admissions, confrontations, and twists were inevitable due to the intense emotions, social scrutiny, and inanswered concerns. The audience and the family would be eager to see what would happen next, as the stage prepared for a last twist. As hawking the story altered the plot just when fans believed it had beaked. Although geëiers of conjecture had been confirmed by Michael Bracton's identification of Ashley's mother, insiders hinted at far more profound mysteries that had been kept hidden for decades. Wat seemed to be a straightforward familial reality turned out to be a complex web of unspoken history, hidden agendas, and emotional complexity. The first soak charme from messages and documents that had never been seen before, indicating that other family members might have known more than they said. Tracy, Tawanda, and Tamar were compelled to consider what they had learned, what they had disregarded, as well as the potential consequences of their silence. The story was altered by the revelation. Ashley wasn't the only one involved. It was about the family as a whole and the tradition of discretion, defense, and emotional tactics. Ashley's emotional journey took her to a new level. Although she had experienced these further indications of familial participation, concealment, and selective disclosure caused a flurry of emotions after earlier feelings of relief and affirmation. Love, understanding, and the need for reconciliation are combined with the confusion, betrayal, and the need to reevaluate trust. All of her relationships took on new significance all of a sudden. The response on social media was tremendous. Fans conjectured endlessly. Weer tere stil inspoken tretes. Geld more startling familie secrets komen toelicht. Every tweet, comment, and video seemed to reveal a new facet, escalating the tension and captivating fevers. The audience was no longer merely captivated. They were emotionally committed, anticipating every turn to develop in real time. The ultimate cliffhanger ten apparat. The disclosures regarding Ashley's mother were only the beginning, according to one insider. There were more explosive facts about family choices, covert affiliations, and previous relationships that were just waiting to come to light. The door had been opened by Michael's affirmation, but behind it lay secrets that can permanently alter the relationships of the household. Confrontation, revelation, and emotional rationing were all on the agenda. Fans had a lot of unanswered questions. Waar mag het berelied ipon? Wat additional secrets had been concealed? And hoe wild Ashley and the Bracton family deal with the storm that was just only getting started. The story had developed into a convoluted, gestake stale of treachery, and intense passion by the end of this chapter. Tamar, Asliei, Michael, ante rest of the familie had to deal with a world where every choice, relationship, and secret may be revealed. The audience was left wanting more at the last twist, realizing that the story was far from finished. The suspenseful ending was indisputable. Aslei's reality had komen toelicht. Wat else tuig mig het beheiding benieuwd het is fase Andriade to rock the Bracton familie onze moore. This is not the end of the narrative. Longstanding gestions have been resolved by Michael Bracton's confirmation of Aslei's moeder, but it has also created new family secrets and twists. Drama. It's our time to sare our tuigetsnof. If our weer Aslei, hoe wilt our respond? After years of keeping our parentage as secret, hoe wilt our handle the revelation? What about the rest of the family, including Michael? Did they make decisions that were manipulative, protective, or something in between? There are no simple answers to these problems. And that's precisely why so many people have been interested in this story. We wilt like to know what you think. Sare our tuigets, geses, or ideas in the comment section below. Wo, in our opinion, kneef more tante desloosed. In the upcoming weeks wil the Bractons die volge aan more secrets. This continuing narrative of includes our voice and our observations contributed to the discussion about the drama in this family. Remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new twist, revelation or emotional confrontation. To participate in the conversation and discover all the facets of this tale together, send this video to our loved ones, friends or other admirers. Never forget that every decision, secret and emotional reaction counts. The upcoming chapter promises even more startling and unexpected revelations. Conflicts and family relationships that have the power to alter everything. Keep an eye out, keep involved, and get ready for the next thrilling turn in this incredible story. The Bracton family story.